Hello and welcome to the MORControl video tutorial library. This tutorial focuses on adding and maintaining parts in the MOR system. So we're going to click I need to in the main interface and select maintain information on a part. This will open up the parts form. In this case there's no part known, we're adding a new part. So we need to identify what type of item it is. So in this case we're going to add a manufactured item. So you select that from the drop-down list, and the item ID is a part number from a drawing. It could be a supplier's part number, something that identifies the part. The item type is what it is. In this case, it's going to be a vise. We're going to identify a vise as the part in this system, and the category vise for this company is manufactured products. Now all of these drop-down lists are you can add and maintain whatever your company needs. So we're going to add an additional description which can show up on quotes or packing slips, etc. They can also be changed in those types of documents. So a new part has been added, and we're going to stay in the form, and we'll see that the form now has more information. Stock adjustment, stock movement on the right. The display as field, it's important. The part will be identified to the users as they use it, with the item ID and the item type linked together. So if you see something's wrong, you can change it. In this case, we're going to change it VMS to VMS1. So the display as is what the users will see this part as. So what we want to do now is add a file path so we have a picture of what this part looks like. So we're going to click the button, and it's going to tell us to double click on a document once we find it. So we're going to browse in our computer to where we know the file is, and we found our PMV device, and we're going to double click it, and it opens up a file name which can be changed, and an extension that can also be changed. The extension is what makes a certain program open up so that you can see it. So this information is okay, and we link the file. Now, if users want to see the file, they can see it. They can select from a list. If that's the right file, they can view the file. So we now have a picture of a vise, the PMV, we're calling it, a vise that can be accessed from anywhere. So I'm going to exit this, and that's the basics to adding a part. All parts can be maintained. Later, the more detailed information, current yacht costs, whatnot, will be added. Thanks.